Now, from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
You're settling into a more typical July pattern with more heat and humidity on the way for the next few days. That will certainly be the story. But today was a very typical early July day. 69 the low, 90 the high this afternoon, very close to the averages. And highs were generally upper 80s to around 90. And tomorrow's going to be a little bit hotter than today. And then it gets a little bit hotter each day as we head through the weekend and early next week. We've had a couple waves of scattered showers and thunder showers moving in from the west. They've all been tracking across basically the northern half of the tri-state along and north of the Ohio River. We had some heavy rain in the Mount Vernon area about an hour ago, but that faded away. Still a little light shower surviving into the Evansville area, but the heaviest rain continues north of 64, eastern Gibson County, now pushing into far western Pike County. So Petersburg, you're about to get a thunder shower along with Winslow, and some new activity picking up along I-64 in the Linville area, and all this moving towards DuBois County, but will likely weaken here over the next couple of hours and eventually just fade away overnight. But you can see all the significant rain was along and north of the river. A few locations picking up about a quarter of an inch, and we might see a little bit more of that tomorrow. We won't see any more of this. 7 confirmed tornadoes from the supercells courtesy of Beryl on Tuesday. All the surveys are in, and most of the tornadoes were from the long track supercell that went across Union, Posey, and Gibson counties. The first tornado setting down near Grove Center in the heart of Union County. It then lifted, touched down again on Kentucky 56 and went right up into the Uniontown area. It lifted again, and as that storm crossed the Ohio River, it dropped the EF3 on the east side of Mount Vernon, and that continued for nearly 6 miles up into southern Posey County. That tornado lifted. Another one came down there in the heart of Posey County on the ground for 3.3 miles, and then the longest track tornado touched down on the north side of Poseyville and went up into southern Gibson County, lifting just north of Johnson, and that was on the ground for about 8.5 miles, all from one supercell. A couple other tornadoes, smaller, brief ones, occurred with separate supercells, one to the west there of Patoka and another one just northeast of Lagodi. Unprecedented event for July here in the tri-state, and it was certainly a record in terms of intensity and the number of tornadoes for July anywhere in the tri-state since records began back in the 1950s. But today we saw a couple of those showers making a run at the Evansville area. We did get a little bit of rain. It looks like we got the moon now beginning to fade there in the western sky. We're at 76, a muggy dew point of 69. There's no wind out there, and temperatures are falling through the 70s. We're going to wind up in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees by daybreak tomorrow morning. There's a little front up here to the northeast. Storms have been firing on, then drifting to the southeast. We'll see the same setup tomorrow, but not quite as much coverage. And then most of the action will be shifting farther to the north as we head through the weekend. So Future Tracker drying us out overnight, although the latest run holding on to a few spotty showers towards daybreak. This one just updating. So we'll have a few showers and thunder showers around tomorrow. Not as much coverage as what we saw late this afternoon, but just keep an eye on the sky. It's going to be a hot and humid day, a little hotter than it was today. Upper 80s to the north, low 90s to the south, right around 91 in the Evansville metro. And a warm Friday night on the way. These showers fading away. We'll start the weekend around 70 on Saturday morning, which will be a brighter day, partly cloudy skies, just a spotty shower or thunder shower popping up, especially later in the afternoon as these try to come in from the northwest. Will be in the 90 to 95 degree range on Saturday with that heat index 95 to 100. Then later Saturday night, some storms up to the north will try to get into our northern counties in a much weaker fashion. The latest run really dries them up, but a very slight chance for a little rain early on Sunday in our northern counties. And then we break to mostly sunny skies as it turns very hot. Highs in the mid-90s on Sunday. The heat index 100 to 105. So overnight tonight, partly cloudy. A few thunder showers that are out there now will be sure to be ending 67 to 70. And then a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. A few more showers and thunder showers developing. Hot and humid, upper 80s to lower 90s. The rain chances fade as the heat builds. Saturday's high 93. We're 95 Sunday. Hottest days will be early next week. 97 and very humid on Monday with mostly sunny skies. A heat index around 105. This will likely lead to a heat advisory. Same for Tuesday. And then the rain chances begin to rise Tuesday night. They're going to be peaking later on Wednesday as a slow-moving front moves on through the area. That's our best chance of rain. And once the front finally clears, we get relief from the heat starting next Thursday.
Okay, that sounds good. All right, thank you, Wayne.